Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a low sleek ponytail for you guys. I don't know about you, but I love a sleek ponytail. It's simple and cute and a go-to style when you don't know what to do with your hair. So if you're looking for simple and cute and easy, stay tuned. So of course, you all, I am starting out on freshly washed hair. Sometimes when you have too much product in your hair, attempting to do a low sleek ponytail will result into a little frizzy. So I do like to start on freshly washed hair. I'm not blow drying my hair because I am using a curly ponytail. So I kind of feel like it defeats the purpose of blow drying my hair. So my hair is going to stay just like this with no heat. So I'm going to also section my hair off into parts. And if you try to put your hair in one big ponytail, it's gonna look a little bulky. And if you have thicker hair, my hair is not as thick, but if you do have thicker hair, I will suggest to put it into parts. But I like to do parts as well because it creates a sleeker look. And you'll see as you continue to watch the video why am I sectioning my hair off. It just creates that low sleek look that I'm going for, and you'll see. So don't fight me because I know how y'all girls like to tussle. I like to use Eco Styling Gel on my hair when I do my ponytails. And I know there has been talk about Eco Styling Gel, but it's my hair and I love the results that it gives. Anyways, as you can see, I am starting on my first section in the back. I will create 3 or 4 ponytails like this instead of one big ponytail. As I mentioned, we're not going for bulky. And when you do one big ponytail, it goes bulky. And we're going for sleek. Okay, so I'm telling you, do different sections in your hair and it will create a really sleek look that you're going for. I also like to use the Murphy's Bee Wax on my hair as well. It creates a sleeker look. I love the Eco Styling Gel. Don't get me wrong. By itself is great. But this Bee Wax just slicks down any flyaways. It just do its thing. So these two combinations of products together, you're going to have that sleek look that you're going for. Trust your girl. You see how it's looking? Sleek. These parts may not be parting, but this hair is sleek. You see? Yeah. I cannot part to save my life. You would think after having a kid and parting her hair and then parting my hair through these 29 years, I will learn to part my hair straight. And it just doesn't work out that way. And you just get what you get and it's a oh well. As you can see, it's a oh well at this point. As you can see, I see a gray hair in my head. I've seen a gray hair in my head. I don't know where the other one is, but it's another one. So that just indicates I'm getting old. It's like, no. But you know what? It's okay. It just means I'm getting wiser. see, now that I'm at the top of my hair, you can see why I create different sections of my hair so that when it is time to put my hair in one full ponytail, it's not as bulky and it creates that sleek look that we're going for. So I'm just brushing my hair, and I didn't mention that I like to use a Got2b glue spray as well, because it also helps with that sleek look too that we're going for. You don't have to use that. The products that you seen that I use is actually okay. Even just an Eco Styling Gel is okay. But my hair tends to frizz up, and even though it is technically almost fall, it's acting like it's still summer. So my hair frizzes up really bad. So all of these products combined is necessary, very much necessary. So I know you're probably like, why do you need all that? It's necessary for a natural hair girl as myself. And if you're a natural hair girl, you might understand these products are necessary. And in the end, my hair will look super sleek, and when I hit the sun, it will do nothing at all. Ponytail that I'm going to be using today is the Shake and Go ponytail from Organique, and I purchased this from my beauty supply store for about $20, which isn't bad at all. It's an easy way to have a long, cute ponytail without the hassle of creating a ponytail from scratch, if you know what I mean. They have different type of hair. I decided to go with the Bohemian Curl 32-inch because I'm looking for more of that curly look. My hair is not as tight as these curls, but it still kind of was the closest look towards what my curl type is. They do have more of a wavy look or straighter look, but whatever your preference is, they do have it. And the reason why this hair is considered an easy wrap because the ponytail provides with a wrap on the hair where you can wrap it around your hair, your ponytail, and it also provides a clip that you securely clip onto your ponytail. So it's so simple, and it also provides you with instructions on how to even start it and even wrap it. Because at first I was like, why does it look like this and how are you supposed to do it? But it provides you with all the instructions that you need. Okay, y'all, so this is the final results of your girl's shake and go ponytail. The ponytail. I absolutely love this. I have my little cons about it. I really don't care how full it is, you know, but it's still serving looks. And I don't really care for this wraparound part because it looks a little bulky. I don't really care for that look. It looks a little unrealistic, but it's okay because, you know, it's giving a look. It's giving brunch vibes, and that's where I'm about to go, brunch. So, you know, it's giving a little something, and it's cute. So again, this is the ponytail, guys. This is the brand, the Shake and Go Easy Wrap. And don't get confused, because I got confused, because there's two versions of a ponytail. One where you just clip on with no wraparound, and this one with where you can just wrap around. You don't have to do any adjustments. I don't like the other one because it gives a little humpy look. I mean, this one too, but it's a little bit more realistic than the other one, okay? So this is the one. It was like about $20, very reasonable. You got somewhere quick and like somewhere you want to go quick. You don't feel like really doing too much to your hair. This is very simple. You don't want to spend too much money to get a ponytail. Because I think a ponytail, if you go get it professionally done, it's like, I think last time I spent like $170, and you don't want to do that, right? So yeah. Do your own ponytail. So yes, this is so super cute. This is how long it is on me. I don't know if you can see it. Your girl is short, so don't mind it. But yes, this cute little ponytail. I'm glad you guys like it, and your girl's about to sip some mimosas and go to brunch. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel.